By default, Odoo does not allow user to easily reverse complete manufacturing order and restore stock quantities. This module provides a simple way to cancel complete manufacturing order while automatically reversing stock movement and restore inventory quantity. Let's see how it works. First, go to the Odoo app menu and search for cancel manufacturing order and install the module. Here you can see in our database this module is already installed. Now to allow user to cancel manufacturing order, appropriate access right must be assigned. So navigate to setting, then user and companies and open required user. And enable developer mode and under extra right activate cancel manufacturing order option. Save the changes. Now this user is authorized to cancel complete manufacturing order. Before processing manufacturing order, let's check current stock quantities. Open component product and finished product from the inventory. Here you can see available stock before manufacturing is completed. Now let's create a new manufacturing order. Navigate to Manufacturing Operation, Manufacturing Order and click New button. Select Product to manufacture, enter required quantity and select Bill of Material. Then click Confirm and process the manufacturing order until it reaches to the done stage. Once manufacturing order is completed, user with the required access right will see a Cancel MO button on manufacturing order form. Now let's review the stock quantity after manufacturing. As you can see, finished product quantity has increased and component quantity have been reduced based on manufacturing process. Now let's click on Cancel MO button. And the manufacturing order is moved to the cancel stage. And reset to draft button is also available if further action is required. Now let's verify inventory quantity again. The system is automatically restore the consumed component and stock back to inventory. At the same time, finished product quantity is reduced accordingly. This ensures accurate inventory reconciliation after cancellation. With the Cancel Manufacturing Order module, user can cancel a complete manufacturing order, automatically restore consumed component stock, reverse finished product quantity, maintain accurate inventory record, and track stock reversal history with complete transparency. Thank you for the watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for more Odoo demonstration.